the end game for the acquirer? What would you advise acquiring companies to be weighing and considering relative to integration activities coming at them in the future?
I'll jump in and say something about that. When it comes to post-merger or post-acquisition integration, if you've waited until it's over to address that, then you've obviously lost a lot of time, because the biggest thing I find is there's got to be a lot of pre-planning involved in any integration issues coming in after consummation of the transaction, because you've got employee issues, you've got how you're going to prioritize bringing the two organizations together. If it's an asset sale, it may not be as problematic because you may not be picking up employees. But anytime you're bringing on a full slate of employees in a transaction, you've got all of the events that are taking place ahead of time. And in my experience is more in financial institutions. So we've got a lot of change of control agreements. We've got a lot of employment agreements. We've got other type agreements that we may have to deal with on non-competes, and whether or not they're being compensated and whether or not they're needing to be brought over. So there's an array of issues there, both operationally, both human relations standpoint, and really just from a corporate structure standpoint. And my biggest advice would be is always pre-plan and always make sure that you have C-level buy-in for whatever's going to happen with integration issues.